Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's doing good. It's still raining over here. Yuck, it's cold. It's gross. How are y'all doing? What are y'all working on? How is y'all weather? Yeah, kind of want to get to know what's going on with y'all. You know, I care about my people. Thank y'all for all of y'all that are subscribers, and for all of you guys that are not subscribers, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And everyone, feel free to leave comments below. And normally everything I have in this video is in the description box. I'll link it in the description box. So welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do an unbagging from Amazon today. Amazon unbagging. I ordered some, because my other PR packages took so long. I ordered some stuff from Amazon because, you know, I wanted to film some different things, and I wanted to order something. You know, I couldn't help it. When you don't have nothing coming in, you want to order. You just want to order. At least that's how I am. So I'm gonna do the first. I opened the port, and I opened this, but because I did try to film this before, and I don't really know what happened. My phone just, I don't know. It cut out because I don't know how to merge. Like, I don't know how to stop a video. Like, if I get interrupted, and continue the video, or like merge them together, or whatever you call it. I don't even know. And I looked for on YouTube, but it no, I can't find nothing that maybe I'm putting in the wrong words. I don't know, but I do use CapCut. So if CapCut, if you're watching this video, which probably not, I would like to know how to do that, how to stop and merge, or if anybody knows, leave it in the comment section below, please, because I sure don't know how. I don't know how to, like, pause it or stop it or whatever it does and come back and continue on, like, finish saying what you were saying and showing what you were showing and all that. So if y'all know, y'all please help me. Like, please, because I'm, like, that's my biggest thing. Every time I'm doing a video and I was just about to the end of this video, like literally saying bye y'all, and the phone cut me off. I was like, oh my God, for real though. Seriously, y'all have to call, like, everybody at this time? Really? So I like let everybody know, hey, I'm filming, please don't call me until I tell you to. That's sad. Not that I don't want them to call me, but. So this is a round drill, and it's the crystal drill, round drill. And it is a 30 by 40, and it's the cat sitting on the fence. And this is the item number. This one does not have, they do have DMC codes, and they have schematics on both sides. There's schematics here, and they have schematics here. And the drill field is clear. So if y'all could see that, the drill field is clear. I'm gonna show y'all from far. And it's a bunch of cats. And it's a crystal round drill. I call it rhinestone. Everybody has their own words. I'm gonna tell y'all if it's sticky or not. Yeah, it's pretty sticky. Y'all, I've never done a whole actual one before. Like, that butterfly is just my first, like, completed one. I had some trees, but I gave them away, and I had one that I was kind of working on with my granddaughter, but it was like a partial. I never had a full drill like this before. Canvas. So yeah, like I said, the schematics are on both sides. The drill feels clear. And I'm going to show y'all the crystal drills for them. Or whatever you want to call them. I was used to saying rhinestones because, like I said, I do cups with these. But the rhinestones I purchased are rhinestones. I guess this is the same thing, yeah. Just smaller. So these are the rhinestone colors for them. I'm going to just show y'all some. I mean, oh God, well maybe not because it just all fell. I'll show y'all all of them then. Some pretty colors. They really have some pretty colors. Some pinks, some greens, purples. They have like, oh, shades of, I love this color. These colors are pretty. Those are bigger. These are big. Blues. Different sizes. I think I probably have this set actually. In all these sizes. But I use them for, like I said, I use them for these types of cups that I'm doing right now. Like I've made some before. This is just one of mine that I wanted to try a different pattern on. So, see, I have the, yeah. Working on that too. Now, I work on all kind of stuff, me. I just do a variety. And I also make the pins, and I also make the wristlets and the backpack tags. But I'm going to start back up because once spring gets here, I want to go to the farmers markets and sell my, all of my stuff. My backpack tags, my wristlets, my pins. My pins, I do the epoxy pins as well. That's the type of pins I'm talking about, is the epoxy ones. So this is the first painting, and I'm going to show y'all the second. The second one is a Valentine's painting. I figured I would order a couple of Valentine's paintings to at least do one during this month of February. It's some gnomes with hearts and stuff, but it's very, very light. Like the background is light. The drill field is clear on it. As y'all can see, the drill field is clear. They have schematics and they have the DMC. Yes, is it the DMC? Hold on, y'all. Yes, they do have the DMC codes. And they all alphabets and numbers. Woohoo! I really like this one. I love the hearts on it. I love the gnomes. Look, it has a little love letter. That's so cute. They have schematics on both sides as well. This is the item number, and it is a 30 by 40 centimeter. But the drill field is really clear. We're going to check the stickiness on it. And like I said, these come from Amazon, so I'm going to put a link in the description box below for these, because I think this will come out cute. It's sticky good. Good stick, but it is 23 colors, so it's not too bad. And as for the, I mean, it's not confetti heavy, but you will have to switch colors a lot. Yeah, you're gonna have to switch colors on this one. Look at that. You're gonna have to switch colors pretty much. So if you like to switch colors, you're gonna have to switch colors. It doesn't look it from here that it's confetti heavy, but it is. It's a lot of, yeah, it's kind of confetti heavy. It's weird that it don't look like it. But look at all these symbols. Like I'm trying to get y'all to see it up close. Look at how many changes of colors. So if you like this type of painting, definitely confetti. Definitely changing colors a lot. These are the colors. I'm not taking them out of the bags because they're just too noisy. And these are the bags. It comes in the bags, not the Ziploc baggies. So these are some of the colors that y'all gonna be working with if you order this diamond painting. And y'all, believe it or not, this color right here, it's like, let me see, I think it's this one. No, it's not even in this painting. Okay, my bad. No, I was thinking about the other one, a different one. Okay, anyway, these are the colors. So these are what you're looking at right here if you order this painting. Of course, there's gonna be red, pink, a lot of pinks, light pinks, but the different shades of pink. Some grays. So those are the colors, and I think it's pretty cool. But like I said, if you like confetti, it's gonna be kind of, you're gonna be changing colors a lot. You know, like if you're doing a block, let's say like a square, because like I'll square mine off to like 2 and then 2, and so depending on how big your square is, like mine will probably be here to here. Yeah, I'm gonna be changing colors a lot. Yikes. I don't know if I'm gonna like that too much, but we shall see. We shall see, y'all. So this does it for this video. I know it was kind of short, but I really wanted to show y'all what I ordered from Amazon. And I want to thank all of you guys for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all so sweet and helpful and everything. Y'all my people. I want y'all, okay, let's talk. I wanted to let y'all know that all of these paintings, again, they will be in the description box below. The links will be in the description box below. Like I said, I did get this off of Amazon, so if you have Amazon Prime, it won't take long to get here, because it definitely did not take long at all. So yeah, that's about it. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.